It got your approval, man?
Yeah, got my approval.
Yeah. Come on and check it out, Mr. Sir. You want this one or you want that one? Big money Carlo in this thing. That's how you feeling, man, with the motor out though? Oh, I see the thing and the thing. Oh my God. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took delivery of not one, but two bikes from Copart, man. We put one together, the Road King, and now the other one is slowly but surely heading up out of here, man. Our 131 Orange Reese's Pieces 2.0 should be back tomorrow. I just talked to my guy, so that thing is just about finished up, man. Meanwhile, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Yay giveaway, man, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat number 499 to 501, man. They only made 501 and I got number 499, man, the only one in the world, man. I'm pairing that together with first place with my 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the Hellcat and the bike both together for first place. Not only do we got first place, man, you guys know we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk. That thing is coming back with the oohs and ahs next week. I can't wait to show you guys that thing, and I can't wait to see it myself. That Trackhawk will be paired together with second place with our 2018 Road King Special, the one back here, the one with the oohs and ahs, man. So not only do you get a Hellcat and a CVO for first place, man, you get a Trackhawk and a Road King for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys seen we picked up two bikes yesterday. So third place, man, you will get a 2021 Road Glide Limited with everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. We stripping that thing down, taking all the slow parts off of it and replacing it with some go fast parts, man. You guys know how we coming. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular sticker, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Today and today only, you got 10 entries, man. So make sure you get in and take advantage of the sale while you can, man. Meanwhile, man, today is Sunday. I'm actually about to pull the Big Daddy out right now. I'm about to go pull up on my dad, and then we probably gonna ride to go check out my Monte Carlo because the motor and all out is out of Monte Carlo already, man. So we're gonna go pull up on my guy Done by D and see what's good, man. So I can't wait. If it's your first time tuning in, man, make sure you let me know where you tuning in from in the comments below, man. Meanwhile, let's pull this thing out and see how it's looking in the sun, man. Alrighty, let's see what we got here, man. I ain't even cleaned it up, wiped it down or nothing. I'm just about to hop in the wind. I ain't even tripping, man. I'm on one of them joints regardless, man. It's gonna get dusty and all the above. If I keep walking around it, I'm gonna have to wipe it down, man. So y'all see what's going on. Let's crank this thing in a gear, man. Let's get it going. Just like that, guys, I done pulled up on my dad. Got the Road King out today. Pull this thing out in the sun and really check it out. All right, so I had to pull that thing out so we could check it out in the sun. So this is a 2013 CVO Road King. Now we got him like a newer Road Glide a while ago, but I haven't asked him about it. I just been waiting for him to bust out with it, but you know how they do. But 2013 CVO, all the oohs and ahs. Big Daddy on the Big Daddy. Heme on heme. Y'all see what's going on. Chrome everything, buttons, washers. All the oohs and the ahs, man. This thing is a freaking beast. Thing is a beast. Now we both got the Corbin seat, so see how we coming. Cadillac Daddy's on there. Chain drive, Big Daddy chain drive. Then you got this exposed like belt drive. I think it's nice. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Y'all let me know. Yes, sir. Y'all see we just pulled up to Done by D, man. We hopped off these things. That was a long ride. I ain't gonna even hold you. That was a long ride, but we out here sliding. We out here sliding, man. Okay. Y'all know Done by D always got something he got going on, man. 454 in the back of the thing, my guy. Shirts off and all that, man. You working hard today, huh?
Hard work.
Hard work, huh? Oh, I see the thing and the thing. Oh my God. Man, that's how you feeling? Damn. That's how you feeling, man, with the motor out though? Damn. So tell us about this thing, man. What we got here?
Man, listen. We finna get rid of all this spaghetti. That's the first thing we do.
Oh, y'all see, golly.
Yeah, we got a lot of spaghetti, man. We gotta rearrange a lot of stuff.
It's nuts.
I'm gonna try to put the that ice box.
Right.
I'm gonna try to put it over here.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna rearrange this catch can. I'm gonna move all this down so you ain't gonna see none of that.
Right.
That's the plan.
Cause golly, I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is looking crazy right now.
Oh yeah. Spaghetti. And you got a lot of mismatched wires. These right here braided, these regular.
Right. They was all over the
We
place.
finna make everything match, man.
Oh yeah, for sure. I can't wait. Can't wait. So suspension and all that going in soon.
Oh yeah.
Movie. Y'all see what's going on. So this is what came out of it, huh?
Yes, what came out.
Okay.
What I might end up doing, it's gonna take me. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna use your same cam and all that that's in here and put it in there. So I'm gonna take everything out the front so you can have that same sound. Are you cool with it?
Nah, I don't want nothing from this motor right here. Nothing at all. I want this one right here with the choppity chops or whatever it sound like, it's gonna sound like. You feel me? I don't want nothing. What is he? I don't want nothing. Come on, gang. I want nothing over here, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got CJ car up in there, don't. CJ got the oohs and the ahs. CJ got the oohs and the ahs, man. Yo, what's up, man? But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on. Got the big daddies over here. We sitting on them, that's for sure. That is for sure. Big money Carlo in his thing. Looking real clean. Got the whole hood off and everything. I can't wait.
Yeah, probably next week. I'm waiting on the suspension. I don't really want to put it in because it's going to be hard to get to the suspension when I put the motor back in. Yeah. So that's why I'm like, man, I could put it back in that night.
So y'all see we got everything, y'all. We just waiting on the suspension. He like, man.
You said Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
So we waiting on that to drop.
Oh, yeah. It's a movie. Y'all see what it is, man. Old motor out. New motor going in. LSA with the LSA. Oohs with the eyes, man. Tell me. What's up? Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here wilding and styling. That's how you feeling?
Yeah.
For the green thing right here?
Yeah, for the green.
That's gonna be nice. Yeah, that look. I like the what's that? The coil packs.
Oh yeah.
I like them.
Yeah. I'll wait till I do yours.
Yeah. Come on, talk to me nicely, man. Man, whoever got this motor, they got head up. Whoever got this motor right here, they got head up. Let them know they got head up, man. So yeah, guys, you guys see, man, we just pulled up to Done by D's, man. We got the MC in here. We got the motor out of the car. Literally. This thing is out. That means it's time to shine. Y'all see the new motor on the stand over there with the new blower and everything. All the oohs and the ahs. Come on. This is the old block right here. Definitely looks a lot different from something like this. Y'all just see. I ain't gonna hold you. You just see what's going on, man. You want that one or you want this one, man? You want this one or you want that one? So y'all know my dad ain't seen the MC yet. Excuse me, Mr. Sir. My dad ain't seen the MC yet. You ain't seen it in person yet, huh?
No.
Come on and check it out, Mr. Sir. Let me see what you think.
D, what you got back here, D? What you done?
How you doing?
Hey, what's up, fellas?
How you doing? How you
Everybody
doing?
all right?
That. Switch it up. Get it right.
Got that joint.
Nice and pretty.
Oh yeah, get it right.
For sure.
Put that balance out for there, right there. Get them, I'm gonna paint that top today.
Okay, the lid? Yeah.
Paint the whole supercharger.
I'm like, man, that ain't like Done by D. They have everybody else in here iced down and just leave me hanging, man. I knew that wasn't like you,
Look,
man.
I'm really gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna tell you. So I'm gonna paint the whole supercharger, the lid and the bottom part black.
Okay.
I'm gonna paint this right here white. I'm gonna come back with the red
Oh,
right
yeah.
here. Paint that right here. And then I'm gonna come back with the red stripes around the whole.
Oh, it's
lid.
up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's up,
What
man.
I was gonna try to do, I was really gonna fuck the game up. I was gonna take all this off right here and
Right.
everything's regular.
Don't do it,
But
too.
the only reason I couldn't do it is because
Okay.
yeah.
It's molded in
Yeah,
there.
so if you take it off, you know what I'm saying, you still gonna have that
Oh,
off.
okay,
Man, that's
got
gonna be
you.
too much work, you know what I'm saying?
That thing look hard. That would be dope, though. I ain't
I
gonna hold
already
you.
know, I had
That would have been
that's why I
hard.
bought it, you know what I'm saying? I said, he ain't much gonna expect this.
I wasn't gonna expect that at all. I ain't gonna hold you. I wasn't thinking nothing like that, man. You got me amped up now.
Yeah, that's why I said, I'm like, man, I was gonna do it. Yeah, that look real good.
You like it, huh?
Yeah.
It got your approval, man?
Yeah, got my approval.
Yeah.
For sure.
It looked like it got the same accessories as your car. The front accessories?
It's
Right.
similar, but yours is a little bit different.
Yeah. They got
Yours
that.
got the blow. You got the blower on yours. Mine don't have the accessory for the blower.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Not on
Yeah.
black car.
So you see it here, man. 87. Is this what it looked like in 87 or what, man?
No, I didn't look quite like this, but
Nah, not like this.
nah. What I'm saying is, in '87, it wasn't no motors. You rode your shit stock, and it wasn't no big wheels, so
Right.
it looked good.
So y'all rode on rallies, basically, like
Rode on
the
stock,
stocks.
Or you rode on some Dayton's.
Right. Okay.
15-inch wheels was really the biggest back then.
Yeah.
15. If you had 15-inch Dayton's, you was it.
You was him, huh?
You was him all day.
Yeah. On the MC, the 15. Dang, now we
15
riding
days.
24s.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Now we riding 24s, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It look real good. It look real clean sitting up in here. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't seen it in so long, so it's looking real good. Can't wait to get rid of that gold, though.
Let's go.
That gold gotta go. The door hinges and all that. All that. I need no gold. It's nice sitting under this light, but I'm cool. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get everything together. All the spaghetti and all that wrapped and wired right. Meanwhile, old motor is out, new motor is in. It's time to shine. We up here at Done by D, man. It's a movie gang. Okay. So y'all got the paint booth over here, huh?
We don't need no booth.
Oh, y'all need no booth, huh? Oh my God.
He painting, bro. For sure. He painting.
I think I might have just found a new painter. Oh, you the dude on God. I met you on Instagram. I was supposed to bring you some shit. You was like, man, I'm busy as fuck because I had the bike shit.
I called on the phone.
Okay.
The bikes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's my
Okay.
bikes and shit right there. See, now it makes sense. Okay. Now it makes sense. Yeah, okay. Now you paint. Now it makes sense. You see, you paint like this.
Cars and all that stuff.
Okay.
Well, it's mine, of course, but
This your personal car?
yeah, this is my car.
Okay, so you put an extra little emphasis on yours, huh?
I mean, I might as well. Might as well.
Okay, he clean though. I like this color.
I still got good ways to go. But
Yeah.
the hard part is the paint.
It look good though.
The paint, that's the hard part.
It look good. I ain't gonna hold you. Said he got a long way to go, but that blue is real spicy.
All that stuff. I feel like
Real spicy, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that. You guys seen it today, man. We finally went to go check out the Monte Carlo, man. The whole motor and all that old stuff is out the car, man. You guys know we got big brakes coming. We got brand new great suspension coming. We got brand new motor, brand new supercharger, everything with the oohs and ahs, man. I can't wait. That thing should be done in the next couple days. We literally just waiting on suspension to touch down, and once that do, it's gonna be go time, man. So I can't wait. Shout out again to my guy Done by D, man. He doing his thing over there, man. So if y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole yeah giveaway, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat number 499 to 501. You guys know they only made 501 of these, and I got number 499, man, the only one in the world, man. I'm giving that away, paired together for first place with my 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the Hellcat and the bike both together for first place. Not only do we got first place, we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk, paired together with second place as well with our 2018 Road King right here that we just put together the other day, man. So not only do you get a Hellcat and a bike for first place, you get a Jeep Trackhawk with the Hellcat engine and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys seen we just scored a 2021 Road Glide Limited. Now that thing is about to be headed out of here to get all the oohs and ahs done to it. So I can't wait for that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular sticker, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, it is almost that time to shine, man. You guys never know. It could be you next week. We could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you could be heading out here to Houston picking up either Hellcat or the Trackhawk. One of the two, man. The choice is yours. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Meanwhile, let me know right now what you think about the MC in the comments below. You think that thing is going to be a beast or not, man? Let me know. I'm curious right now. In the meantime, I do appreciate you guys. So prepare today for success tomorrow, man. Let's go. It's about to be an amazing week. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.